Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles, and I have in my hands a very interesting device. This is the ZTE Axon M smartphone, and basically comes with dual screens. So this is how they work. Because the phone is quite thick when the screens are folded, and also there's a slight disadvantage that there's a good chance of getting these scratched when you are carrying this in your pocket. I don't think it can accept a case with a form factor like this, and the screens only fold one way on this side, not on the other side. Also, only a single camera, a 20 megapixel sensor. Because of the dual screens, you can actually use just the single camera for both still shooting as well as selfies. The specs are slightly old though, because it comes with a Snapdragon 821 processor, which is about 2 generations old now. But otherwise you get 4 gigs of RAM and 64 GB storage. As to how these screens work, you get these key at the bottom which lets you switch between different screen modes. So this here is basically a mirrored display. So anything you do on one screen is mirrored on the other. So these are both basically 5.2-inch screens with full HD resolution, but in extended mode give you a screen real estate of 6.75 inches. So I can basically view a video in extended mode in both orientations. And of course, this is just the simple mode where the secondary screen is switched off. This is how it looks from the back. As you can make out, there is no rear camera, because the single camera on the main screen doubles up both as the primary camera as well as the secondary shooter for selfies. The metal body feels really sturdy. It shuts with a satisfying click, and on the left side you get a SIM slot, volume rocker, a power button with integrated fingerprint scanner, as well as a customizable key that lets you capture screenshots with a single press or launch the camera by a press and hold. So here's a quick look at the camera interface on the ZTE Axon M. You use the secondary screen as a viewfinder when the main camera is pointing the other way, but you can also switch things around and use it as a selfie camera. The camera app gives you a bunch of options, including manual mode, a bunch of filters, and quite a few others. A ton of apps here, but this of course is a Chinese unit. We don't know when this phone is going to launch in India. We sure hope it does. Despite the older processor, it looks like a very interesting option, very innovative, and we definitely want to try it out properly. Thanks for watching.